Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting any Candy Crush notifications for free live requests from friends, or event reminders anymore? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. Go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down to the list of installed apps until you find Candy Crush Saga, or just directly search for it. Tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alert style below as well and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts and not none. Since none means notifications are technically allowed but nothing will actually appear on your screen. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Now, scroll back to the top of your settings and then go to focus or search for it. Here, go through each one focus mode that you use and make sure Candy Crush is not sitting in the silent app list. King also has separate email notification settings for things like live requests. So check your king.com account settings, and if you're not seeing email alerts either, since King has acknowledged occasional issues specifically with email notifications. So all you gotta do is go to settings, Candy Crush, allow notifications on, set style to banners, check your focus mode, alerts come through again, and that's it. Subscribe.